अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो की I-CET एकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म से जॉब इंटरव्यू में होने वाले सवालात और जवाबात से मुतल्लिक एक अहम वीडियो लेकर हाजिर हैं। बहुत सारे वो कैंडिडेट्स जो जॉब इंटरव्यू को लेकर परेशान हैं, इनके लिए हमारी आज की वीडियो बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव होने वाली है। इस वीडियो के बाद हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप अपने जॉब इंटरव्यू में ज़रूर कामयाबी हासिल करेंगे। इससे पहले कि वीडियो को स्टार्ट करें, स्क्रीन पर मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी। बेसिक इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
My name is Sana Ismail. I have passed master's examination in 2020. I belong to Sargodha.
Question number 2, what are your strengths?
I am a hardworking and committed person. The task which I decide to complete must be completed by me within the given framework.
Question number 3, what are your weaknesses?
Madam, my strength is also my weakness, as I am a hardworking and committed person, so mostly when I do excessive work, I get ill.
Question number 4, why do you want this job?
Madam, I want to start my professional career on some solid grounds. So, by joining an excellent company, I can fulfill my desire.
Question number 5, where would you like to be in your career 5 years from now?
I think that the story of my career will be absolutely changed. I shall be more experienced and qualified in my field.
Question number 6, what attracted you to this company?
Madam, it's a well-known company which has golden past and a well-repute, so this all attracted me.
Question number 7, why should we hire you?
I have a good experience with a solid commitment. Anyhow, madam, you can select me according to my CV contents.
Question number 8, when are you most satisfied during your job?
When I do my best performance and is appreciated by my seniors, I feel the most satisfaction.
Question number 9, what can you do for us that other candidates can't?
I can spare my full energy with an extreme devotion. Madam, I cannot tell about the other candidates.
Question number 10, why have you left your previous job?
The company where I was rendering my services had completed its project in Pakistan, so my job was over.
Thank you.